Ever feel like managing the cloud is like trying to run a major city in the dark? You know things are happening, but you can't see the accidents, the leaks, or the traffic jams until it's too late. It's time to turn the lights on. Welcome to the ultimate guide to logging and monitoring. In this course, we aren't just looking at data, we're building a digital empire with eyes on every street. You'll learn how to listen to the cloud's heartbeat, use specialized super lenses to see through digital wires, and deploy security guards that hunt down cyber clues before they strike. We're going to show you how to stop being a firefighter who only reacts to disasters and start being an architect who builds systems that actually heal themselves. Whether you're managing a small app or a global network, this is how you stay safe, stay fast, and stay profitable. Don't just run your code, own your empire. Let's get started. Imagine your cloud environment is a living, breathing city. To keep it running, we need a constant pulse check using logs, which act as detailed diary entries of every event, and metrics, the real-time vital signs like a heart rate monitor for your systems. IT teams act as the guardians of this city, ensuring applications are healthy and performing correctly. They serve as urban planners, managing capacity so digital pipes don't burst during a rush, and as security forces watching every entry point to protect your data. They also guarantee service-level agreements, making sure the lights stay on 99.9% of the time. To manage this, we use a log routing strategy across 3 layers: the tenant layer for identity, the subscription layer for management history, and the resource layer for the deep heartbeat of individual tools. By capturing these signals, we move from simply reacting to problems to mastering the flow of our digital world. Finding the right balance in logging is a lot like setting the volume on a radio. Too low, and you miss the music. Too high, and it's just painful noise. If we recorded every single digital blink, we'd be buried in storage costs and useless data. In our cloud city, we have specialized reporters for every level. Inside the virtual machine, the Azure Monitor Agent acts as a local journalist, tracking the internal brain of the system. Higher up, Application Insights looks past the server and straight into the code, catching a slow Add to Cart button even when the hardware looks perfect. To keep it all from getting overwhelming, we use data collection rules, a smart filter that separates the critical evidence from the clutter, ensuring we only hear what truly matters. Welcome to the control room, the heart of our cloud monitoring strategy. Collecting data is only the first step. The real magic happens when we turn those logs into action. First, we head to the Log Analytics workspace, a massive digital library where every signal is stored and ready for us to ask questions using KQL. But because we spot patterns better in pictures than in rows of text, we use dashboards to turn those numbers into colorful charts, making a sudden spike in traffic impossible to miss. Finally, we have our automated alerts, the digital smoke alarm. We don't have to watch the screen 24/7. The system is set to text an engineer or even auto-restart a failing server the moment trouble starts. It's not just monitoring, it's an active defense that keeps our systems running smooth. Think of Azure Insights as specialized super lenses for your digital empire. First, VM Insights builds a map of server connections. When one crashes, you instantly see the domino effect on others. Next, Container Insights tracks your app like a swarm of bees, monitoring the health of hundreds of tiny parts simultaneously. For the infrastructure, Network Insights provides an X-ray view of your digital wires to spot traffic jams or security holes. Finally, Application Insights focuses on human behavior, using funnels to show exactly where users get stuck or quit, like on a checkout page. Specialized lenses, seeing the unseen to keep everything running smoothly. Monitoring isn't just about keeping the code running, it's about keeping your business safe and profitable. Think of Microsoft Sentinel as your digital detective. It hunts through logs for clues of cyber attacks before they happen. Meanwhile, Microsoft Defender for Cloud acts like a security guard, checking that your virtual doors are locked and giving you a secure score to track your safety. But a safe empire must also be a lean one. Cost management helps you set budgets so you aren't surprised by a massive bill at the end of the month. Azure Advisor even steps in like a consultant, suggesting you turn off unused servers to save money instantly. The ultimate goal here is operational excellence. By moving from reactive firefighting to proactive architecting, you create a self-healing environment where problems are fixed before a single customer ever notices. Managing a digital empire was like running a major city, and this course revealed the tools that kept it alive. We learned to capture the cloud's pulse via logs and metrics, routing signals from every layer to ensure no beat was missed. We mastered the balance of logging levels with the Azure Monitor Agent, avoiding noise and high costs. In the control room, we used Log Analytics and KQL to transform raw data into visual dashboards and digital smoke alarms. Finally, we applied specialized lenses and security tools to protect the business bottom line. We transitioned from being reactive firefighters to proactive architects of a self-healing environment.